it down. Ooh, watch out. We're about to lose control. Cool it down.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah.
What it do? Back again, coming through. Who that is? That ain't nobody but Sumi Sue about to do the do. So today we got a hair video going on. I'm going to be separating my hair videos, okay? Because I feel like those of you who want to see the hair, and those of you who want to watch the makeup can watch the makeup, because I know I have, you know, two audiences here basically. So yeah, but I still hope that you guys enjoy this video. Today's hair is going to be by Gorgius Hair. They are sponsoring today's video, and yeah, I'm not gonna dilly or dally or ramble in this intro. Make sure you check them out. All the information for this unit will be down in the description box. So let's get into the video.
Head up in the clouds, oh my, since I met you. Ooh. Heart out of my sleeve, now what will I do? Danger. You celebrate me like no other man. My femininity takes off like a champagne bottle. The sun has been outshine. The planet's totally alive. I'm bitten. I'm bitten. Red lips, red fingertips, red lights every night. Since I met you, it's been somehow rational's been flushed down the toilet by ya. Oh, what a madness. You celebrate me like no other man. My femininity takes off like a champagne bottle. The sun has been outshine. The planet's totally alive. I'm bitten. I'm bitten. But bitten. Yeah. I'm bitten. I'm bitten. But bitten. Beyond crazy. We'll be on crazy, yeah. Very lazy. Oh.
Okay, y'all, so we are going to install this unit. Now, this is going to be a super easy, everyday friendly type of unit. You're not going to have to do a whole lot with this. This is just going to be a throw on and go. The only thing is whether you're going to wet the curl, straighten the wig, or curl the wig. So right now, what I'm going to do is, I've already done this one time before. I'm going to be doing it again. I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place foundation. Okay, just find something. This is a cream foundation. All you want to do is just find something that mimics your hairline. Now, right now I have my cap on, and these are the type of caps that I like to use. I am not here for the bald cap method. I am just not. It's just an extra step that I need to use. What I'm saying, like, if somebody do it for me, that's different. Okay, if somebody do it for me, that's different. But if I gotta do it, okay, so what I'm gonna do is just stipple this product right in. Now, normally I do this on my cap, on my canvas block, but since we're right here, I'm just gonna, you know, and it's just a small spot, so I'm just gonna do this right here. And I like to, like, you know, really try to penetrate the lace, get through to the knot. If you do this on the actual wig block, like, it's a lot better. You can really cover your knots and stuff like that. I'm done with bleaching. Like, the chemicals around me, like, And it's just one extra step that I really don't need. So if it doesn't come to me already bleached, I'm going to be doing this method. Okay, I do this with all of my units. Now for this, I am going to be using my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Powder in Golden Beige. And as you can tell, this mimics a lot closer to this. So this is what I'm trying to do. You see what I'm saying? Like normally I would go in with this. This is too dark. This is just way too dark. So this is great for around the perimeter of the lace, but I'm not doing that today because as you can tell, we just have like a little spot of lace going on here. So I'm going to go in and stipple, and this is just going to seal that cream product. And then we're going to spray it with some, and as you can tell, I'm really like trying to penetrate the lace, trying to get that knot really nice and coated. So we're going to throw this on now. Ooh. Maybe this is who they say I'm impersonating, girl. You need to stop. Okay, now this wig is very firm on the head. Very, extremely firm. Okay? Extremely firm. It's giving Rick James, baby. Okay. Now, for this, I'm going to keep it simple. You see what I'm saying? As you can tell, the bangs are pretty long. I don't know if I'm going to cut them or whatever, but I'm going to keep it extremely simple. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to take off my ring, and we're going to wet this hair. Even though I demonstrated, for you that you can straighten it and it curls right back up. As you can tell, it curled right back up because this is the side that I straighten. Okay, so I'm gonna be applying water and just some mousse to really activate the curls and give it a little zhuzh. You see what I'm saying? I would curl this up and like straighten it and all that, but we're not. We're gonna leave the wig in its natural state so you can see you don't have to do much to finesse it and look great. Okay, so we're just gonna keep spritzing, and I'm gonna roll the music right here so you guys can like just watch. Okay, Lego.
Red lips, red fingertips, red lights every night. Since I met you, it's been somehow rational's been flushed down the toilet by us.
Okay, so I have the hair nice and wet. It's giving waves. You know, I'm not going to do too much because I still want some of the volume. And if I wet it, it's going to lose all of that. So, like I said, the bangs are quite long. So I'm probably just going to slide it back because I don't want to cut it. Slide it back. Line it up. And from here, I'm going to take some styling mousse. And we're just going to really set all of this. And whoop-de-whoop, shibbity-boop-boop-boop. Okay, so Lego. Okay, so this is the look that we're going for. We're going for the wet look. I don't think I've ever done like a full wet look this style, so we're just going to test it out, have some fun. It's giving Rick James, okay? Love them and leave them. That's what it's giving a little, okay. So I'm going to be 100% real with you though. I'm going to take this off and I'm going to put it on the wig block because it's not glued down and there's no need for me to sit here and pretend. I'm going to do my makeup and I'm going to come on back. Okay. Okay. So I did my makeup and reapplied the wig, and now we're just going to kind of just comb it through because there's really not much to do. We just want to kind of fluff it up. And I like the way the bangs are laying, so I'm just going to leave that as is. I'm not going to cut it basically. Like I'm just going to leave it, you know?
Somehow rational's been flushed down the toilet by us. Oh, what a madness. You celebrate
Okay guys, so I'm gonna stop right here. I really like how it came out, super cute. It's no longer giving Rick James, that is for sure. It is giving 80s. It's giving, what is it giving? It's giving a little Whitney, you know. And the sun begins to fade. You know, a little something like so. Okay. Yeah, make sure you check out Gorgius Hair. All the information on this unit will be down in the description box. So if it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch. We like to keep it nice and clean and classy in here. Shout out to Gorgius Week for sponsoring today's video. You know we love a sponsor. Okay, yes. Comment down below because I want to hear from you guys. And like the video if you liked it. Share the video because sharing is caring. And until the next video, take care of yourselves and I will see you guys really, really soon.